Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme C33 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to open safe mode on this device. So firstly, you need to press together power button and volume up button. So just press together, then click and hold on power off button, and then you will see this message. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot the phone again. So just click OK and wait a while. Okay, that's it. As you can see in the left left bottom corner, we have see safe mode. So that's it. We are in the safe mode. If you want to go back into normal mode, you just need to reboot your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.